Welcome. In front of me is a VIVO X300 Pro, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into a recovery mode. So to get started, you will want to turn off your device by holding the power button. Or we might need to actually hold power button and volume up. So let's do that instead. There we go. So when you click them, it brings up the boot option. So we're gonna swipe this one here to turn off our device. And when the phone turns off, we're gonna hold power button and volume up again. Now you can let go of the power button when you see the VIVO logo. Now this will bring us to the Fastboot mode first, so in here using volume buttons either up or down, to navigate up or down as you can see, you can select a recovery mode, and from there we're going to click on power button to confirm it. As you've seen, touch doesn't work here. I did actually need to check this myself because the other phones, like the ones that they also have like OnePlus for instance, which is technically the same big parent company, and some of the different brands, they do allow touching of navigation, and even here you can actually touch the options. So just to kind of show you, if I select clear data, you can see I can now touch it instead of using volume buttons. Now in here you have a couple options. So we have install software, clear data, which consists of clear cache and just factory reset. We have check system and safe mode, along with two different ways of leaving this mode by resetting or restarting the device more like, and turning it off. So anyway, I'm gonna select the restart. Okay, and like I mentioned, this will just now reboot the device and bring me back to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.